Hello, this is me, Minnie, and today I'm going to be showing you my new crown. My very nice owner bought it for me because I graduated Princess Tom School. And oops, it fell off. Well, you see it, right? It's got that big diamond on it. Well, I'm just going to set it right here because I don't want the diamond to fall off. But I got it for graduating Princess Tom School on Barbie.com. So how you go is you go on Barbie.com, you press Princess Tom School, and then you try to enroll. And if they pull your name, then you're in it. Then you have to do all the school tasks, and you design your own tiara at the end, and then it's over. And then you graduate. And once you graduate, you get a certificate. But then, since I graduated, my mommy, my very nice mommy, she bought me this nice crown for graduating. It is just like the crown I designed on Princess Tom School. I just want to tell y'all, I graduated and I got a crown. Now I'm a princess forever, and I got charm. Thanks for watching. This is Minnie. Don't forget to subscribe.